This video is about the Alphacool Shroud and how to mount it on an adequate radiator with a fancy fan, what tools you need and how you're supposed to do this you will find out in this video. To mount a shroud like this is easy and I will show you how it goes. So first of all we need to take out all the equipment that's in. Oh, it's not so much, it's just the shroud itself and the adequate screws. So these screws are for fan shroud radiator combination only. If you use it or just only with a radiator directly in the fan, it will destroy most probably the radiator. What we do first is we place a rubber on the radiator and a position where it should be. You have of course in this radiator 4 threads here, so depending on how you want to mount it, you put it there. It would be most probably the side where it's sealed, because if you have it in your computer case like this, you will go down with the fittings to the bottom and the sealing plugs for the top. So here we go. Then of course we use the new fancy Alphacool Apex Stealth Fan. Put it in a good position. You can change it later a little, but if you find the right and perfect position right from the start, then you're good. You need a Torx 10, yeah, for this one. And here we go. Just screw the screws. Also, in this case, you can turn it for the left until it just falls a little down, so you have directly it in the right position in the thread. You do not destroy your thread by just drilling it in the wrong way. And first of all, just like going for easy mode, just for all 4 screws. Again for the left and then to the right. So here we go. This of course is still a little open, and now you can still change the position a little, but it's already relatively fixed. And then here we go for screwing. So when you have it close to finished, please take care to just screw them always in the opposite and one after the other, so that it sits perfectly. So now, done. So yes, if you like that stuff that we're bringing here, you can subscribe our channel. There will be more videos like this showing all the things that you can do with this fan. And still, if you write in the comment areas what color you like most, then this will help us to create the color that you like, additionally to black, white and silver. So see us in the next video. Goodbye.